Hi everybody, Vladimir here with you, and welcome to my weekly SRS trading summary. In this summary I want to go over the last week using SRS intraday strategy only for one pair on only for one time frame. This is the British pound against the dollar and 5 minutes time frame. This is my preferred one, for intraday strategy, for intraday trading. And remember, as higher the number of pairs you use and the higher the time frame you use, the higher your profit. So I just want to go over and explain you why I choose to make a trade or why I prefer not to take it and skip it. I want to explain exactly the thought I think during the trading. So next time you trade the SRS will be much easier and will be much profitable. So let's begin. The first day of the last week was 16th of August, and let's take over. This is the first trade we got. All right, it was 1:30 afternoon. All right, so this is the last high, the last powerful high. Remember, because actually we got last high right here, but it's not really high, right? This one is not really high because this is the last powerful and meaningful trade. And remember, I want to take only meaningful highs and lows, right? I prefer to skip the trade if it's not sure, but I want to take only the good ones. Right here we got a signal that was remarked by this green arrow, right? And you can see that all the conditions were met right here, right? Okay, so we got the SRS crossing the 10,000 level, and we got the last high was broken one candle after the signal. So we got into right here, we got a stop loss of 36 pips, right? And then we the first target was hit right here, and the second target was closed only here, close to 65 pips. Sorry, right here. Just take a look from here to here. Why here? Especially here because only in this candle all the three moving average was crossed down. I don't think you can see it right here, but this was the trade. I was in there, so it was right here. The EA kicked me off from this trade before on this attempts of the moving average to cross down. None of them was successful, and only here the direction was changed. So we got 36 pips on the first target, and we got 65 pips on the second target, and this is the first trade of the week. We keep going until the next one. Take a look right here. We get a signal on this point, but the time, the hour was not correct, and I prefer to skip it. I begin from 8 o'clock GMT right here, right? And we got a signal to go short, but I don't have any support line, any low to be broken. Okay, right here. So this is the only powerful low, and the market didn't break it immediately in three candles, and I skipped this trade. I can't do it. Right. Next was a signal to buy. Again, no high, no last high was broken. I don't take a trade. And right here I got another buy trade, right here. Again, no trades because there is no high that was broken, but a few bars only after that I get this sell signal, and the last low, right, last powerful low was broken, and I shorted I sell it right here with a stop loss above this level. The stop loss was not hit, but the moving average crossed away, and I got out on 25 pips, right, lows from the second trade. So we got two trades. One was profitable, the second one lost 25 pips. Nothing we can do. We keep going for the next trade, and the next trade was on Tuesday, 17th of this month. Right, the third trade, the second trade per this day, and here is a sell signal right here. 2 bars after the signal, the last meaningful and powerful support line, all the last low was broken. We sell it. All right, 30 pips stop loss, 15 pips profit, the first target, and the second target was until the moving average cross itself, until this candle right here, right, 25 pips. This is the second target and the second trade for today. We keep going until next one. This signals was out of the range of hours I trade, right? So I keep going until this point, and this one right here, this was the first signal I got that was on the hours I want to trade. All right, and oh, sorry, I have a trade right here, right? Sorry, I forgot about this signal. Okay, I have a trade right here. We get a short signal. This is the last support line. It was broken. Stop loss 30 pips, and I gave first target 15 pips, half on a stop loss, and the second target, while the moving average was crossed right here, 10 pips profit. Alright, so just a second. Alright, and the next pair and the next trade was a buy trade right here. We got a signal, and one candle after it, the last high was broken. This was not a successful trade, and we got out right here, 20 pips loss, 25 pips loss, sorry, and we got out from this trade. The next trade was not here because the last low, the last powerful low was here, and it was not broken.